I'm going to show you Canva tips that you probably didn't know about. Oh, hello Fly! Canva has a vast library of design elements, but some of the best ones are a bit hidden. Here's how you can find and you can use it. So here we are on the dashboard in Canva, and then we go to the top right where it says Creator Designs, and we choose YouTube thumbnail, for example. And I will move myself somewhere here up, and then you go to the left and you choose elements, and you can type keywords like abstract. You can go to photos or graphics. You can see how many different elements you can find with this specific word. The next word you can type in is watercolor. There you go. You see all the graphics. Let's choose this one. Whoa. You can expand it. You can add a bit text on it, but look how amazing it looks. Maybe you also want to type in vintage style. You write vintage, and you got all those graphics. Let's press see all. And search for photos as well. There you go. Videos. Tip number 2 is to create custom charts. I'll show you how to do it. Just for you to know, guys, charts are great for visualizing data, and Canva makes it easy to customize them. So here's how you can do it. We are on our design. Go to elements. You scroll down, and on your left you can see charts. You select it, and you can see you have bar charts, line charts, pie and donut chart, area charts, all kind of charts. You can choose the type you want. Let's say that I will select the pie chart, and here you can customize the data. You press clear all data. You can customize the data and create your own chart, pie chart. If you have a Google Sheet, you can insert your data from Google Sheet or from Word or whatever you keep in your data. Tip number 3 is animations. We are here on our design, and let's say that I would like to animate a dog. Let's write down dog, and we can choose a graphic from the elements. I just found a hot dog walking, so let's say that we choose this one. We flip our design, okay, and then we make it smaller, and we go here where it says animate and create an animation. We want our dog to walk in a straight line, so what we do, we grab the dog and we make it walk in a straight line. Over here you can adjust the speed if you want the dog to walk faster. You can do the same with text. Let's say that we want to animate some text, so we are heading, say we write down our name, Sabrina, and then we go up here, animate, create an animation. Let's say I wanted to move all over the screen. There you go. I'm getting dizzy. But you can animate anything. Tip number 4. Remove the background of a picture. Here on our empty design, and let's say that we want to make a thumbnail on YouTube, and we are going to put a picture of our own. Let's say I choose this one, and as you see, I have as a background my house, my living room. So I want to remove this one. So what I'm going to do is to click on edit image over here, and then background remover is so simple, guys. You just click on it and that's it. Your picture is without the background. How perfect is that? Tip number 5, creating a color overlay. Want to make an Instagram post. Okay, let's say this one. And I want to change the background color. Edit it. And then we go to elements and we write a rectangle. Okay, and then we change the color. Let's say that we would like to use gradients. This gradient. Okay, now we go over here where it says transparency and we lower the transparency. Created a whole new image. Tip number 6, using smart mockups. Let's say that you've created a new design and you wanted to advertise it on social media, on Instagram, for example, and you wanted to look realistic on a mockup. How do you find the mockups? I'll show you right now. We are here on our design and we go to the left side and click on apps. Scroll down and you see the most popular one is the mockups. Click on it and then there are plenty of mockups. But let's say that you've created a design for we selected it, adjust it to the image. Then let's assume that your design is this one. Take the design and you insert it into the mockup and it's going to show you a realistic image of how it would look like if somebody orders it. Nice, isn't it? This is my favorite feature, by the way. Number 7 is to use Canva's audio library. Let's say that we want to make a video commercial of this cup. So we go up here, we press resize and magic switch, and then we type down video. We choose this one, or maybe mobile video is better. Wait a little bit. And then we press resize this design. And it's going to show us how it looks like on a mobile video. Let's say we want to add some audio over here, relaxing music. And then we go to elements and we write relax. Nervous, you guys. And then we scroll down on the audio and we have some relaxed music over here. Say that I choose this one and it automatically goes into your design. You can adjust the duration, you can adjust over here the sound, the volume. Tip number 8 is to use Canva's templates. Over here on the dashboard of Canva, so create a design and let's say that I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. You see, we are on design, templates, and you have so many choices, Now let's say that you want to create Instagram post really quick. Portrait square, let's say just a post. Okay. And then again, the templates. You have so many templates. And let's say that you want to make it, I don't know, food. About food. You see? Lots. You make it about makeup. Makeup hole. Say we pick this one. And you can change all these elements. Let's say we want to delete that and add one of my image. This one. Yeah, my face is not a modeling face. Yeah, lots of templates.